So here is the Concavex disc, and as you can see, it's exactly that. It's actually not a disc, but it's actually a washer that's got a concave shape, as you can see, and with a little notch in it. So here you can see we've already attached the Concavex disc onto the Squeegee handle, and it's under the Wagtail disc, and you can see the movement of it. It gives a sort of 360-degree movement all ways, and this now allows you to use your Wagtail Squeegee on the glass with relatively ease as you're using it, because of this relatively small washer, disc or whatever. Okay, I'm going to show you these handles. These are the newer ones, and we're going to show you how to take the tip off and put the holes in it. So here you put this in the vise, and first off what you do is get the disc and you center punch it so you can drill a hole like this. I've already done one just here. So you get the drill and then drill the hole, same size as the Wagtail bolt, obviously. And now we put the disc in the groove there, just line it up, and you get a Sharpie or a marking pen, pencil, whatever, and you just mark around it like this. So once it's marked, you get a saw. We got a hacksaw, seems to cut it okay. And now we've got a wood rasp, and we found that seems to file it down very easily and quickly to get the main material off, and that's how it's done. Yes, it is necessary because with the rise here, the Concavex disc is only travelling on this small bit here, but when you have the one without the rise on it, it rides on this area, and it's much smoother operation. So this is why we removed the rise off this disc. Of course, all other Wagtail discs, they haven't got a rise, so you don't need to worry about that, but generally this will make it work more smoothly. So where we have the disc with the rise, just put in the rise here, and we'll start off with just using a wood rasp and just get the bulk of the rise off. I'll just speed it up a little bit here, and now we'll get stone, a rotary stone, and we'll just smooth it over like this. I'm just putting it all up for you, and this is how it turns out, and that's how this is done. Okay, here we have it, and what I found is use a washer under here, on there, and all you do now, just put that in, put the Concavex disc in the slot like that, get the disc, grab your nut, hold it there, just tighten the disc right up as far as you can, like that, and just back it off half turn or so, and that's the tightness you should have it at, like that. So what we're going to do here, you can see I've undone the nut, and you can see there's a bit of a gap. Make sure that notch is in there all the time. So what we've done here is get some thread lock, and we're going to put a dab just in here, just put a dab in there, and then you go and tighten it up. You tighten it right up to as tight as possible, and then back it off about a half a turn or so, and leave it like that. But beware, this is a permanent fix. You won't be getting the screw off too soon without breaking the thing apart. So I know a lot of people have been saying that handle spins around like a helicopter like this, and we're going to show you how to fix this problem. So here you can see that we've put a rubber band through here, and we've also done it on a yellow disc one. We just drilled a couple of holes there and done the same thing. So all you need is a crochet hook. Got this one from my wife, and also a couple of zip ties like this, and some heavy duty rubber bands. So you get your handle, you put the crochet hook through and pull the rubber band through, put the zip tie through, just pull it like that, just bring it around the other side, and you hook it through, put the zip tie through there, like this. Once you got that through, I'll get that through in a minute. Okay, we got it through, and all you need to do then is just connect the zip ties like this, making sure that you pull it as tight as you can to keep it there, and that's how it's done.